शेनवारा फोंड्या पुलिशेन सरपळी मारपी टोळयेक अटक केल्या। ह्या टोळयेन आतां मेरेन चोरिल्ले भांगर घाणाक दवरून आतां मेरेन फायनान्स कंपनी कडल्यान 5.5 लाख रुपया घेतिल्ले आसा। फोंड्या पुलिशेक तांचे कडेन 7 सरपळ्यो सापडल्यात। आरडी एक्सको खातीर फोंडेच्यान महेंद्र गांवकार।
पद्दारमंडल, धुले, केरी, बेतकी and Sakota. We have arrested a gang of 4 persons who are involved in chain snatching in the area of Ponda subdivision. This gang was operating from January to February this year. This gang has a habit of committing crime in Goa, then proceeding to Mumbai and then proceeding to Hubli. When the police are after them here, they change the location and commit theft in both the places. Now, first we had arrested Nizamuddin Irfan Muhammad. He is from Dattagad, Petoda. He was arrested on 20th August in a NDPS case. He was also suspected to be a chain snatcher, so we have interrogated him in the chain snatching crime. He disclosed names of 2 other accused, Jafar Muhammad Sheikh of Chandor and Gaurish Rohidas Kelkar of Porori. They used to hand over the stolen property to one female who is Yasmin Jalegar from Kurti Ponda. Thereafter, this Yasmin is to take this gold and go to either Muthoot Finance or Manipuram Finance and pawn this gold and take the money and give it to Gaurish. Thereafter, they used to share the money and Yasmin was taking a commission for this. We have also arrested her in this crime. Altogether, we have recovered 7 gold chains and have arrested these 4 accused persons. In fact, in view of the forthcoming Ganesh festival, Ponda police worked overtime to ensure that this chain snatching gang would have been in custody so that the festival of Ganesh also passes off without any incident. About 130 grams of gold, all the 7 chains is weighing about 130 grams of gold. So they are further being interrogated to find out their involvement in any other crime. Any other questions?
So far, how much money they had been borrowed from Muthoot Finance?
5.5 lakhs from both Muthoot Finance and Manipuram. 6 out of the 7 chains were given to Manipuram Finance.
What was the modus operandi of it?
They would attack lonely elderly couple
Okay.
who were seen. They could be husband, and in one case, the husband and wife were together. In spite of that, they saw their vulnerability being old, so they snatched the chain and they run away. Yeah.
Okay.
Money has recovered?
No, chains have been recovered. Because these offences have taken place in February.
All
January
these
to
complaints are
February.
registered in police station?
Yes, all complaints are registered and they have been also arrested in this crime.
No.